Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another software for you, Affiliate Profitz AI, and it's an application that creates done for you profitable campaigns that pays you money daily, and you do this by exploiting the biggest affiliate network in the world, which is called ClickBank. And with just one click you can generate landing page copy, email follow-up, TikTok script, YouTube scripts, social posts, blog posts, and thousands of free clicks. And you do this in 60 red hot ClickBank offers, and you don't need any technical setup, zero upfront payment, and zero waiting. It's an amazing product in my own assessment because I have been able to look at the dashboard area and see how it works. It actually performed everything I asked it to do, and now this product is going live on the 16th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is Central European Time, 5 p.m. and 4 p.m. GMT, and it's from Vescoyo. And of course, if you stick with me, I will show you through the very dashboard area, which is exactly this, and then we'll go through some of these steps and also play you the demo video of this product in action so that you see exactly how it works, in case you are interested in getting this, and of course show you the pricing for this amazing product and also the bonuses that I have for you, which are going to definitely blow your mind if you stick with me. Okay, so I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload any amazing software content or training courses, which is exactly what I review online and on YouTube. Okay, so now let us take a look at some of the advantages you have with this one. This is to say that with this application you can manage to leverage the power of AI to generate profitable campaigns, and you can exploit the biggest affiliate network to make 500 plus daily, which is ClickBank. And with just one click you can generate landing pages, email posts, social posts, and much more, as you will see in the dashboard area. And you don't need any setup or configuration and zero manual work. Everything is done by the very AI that is installed in this. Just keyword and exactly tailor it to what you want, and you can drive up to 3,500 clicks to your funnel instantly with this application. And the AI gives thousands of free clicks within minutes, and you can access 60 hot profitable products to promote on ClickBank. And also it can work for anyone, anywhere, as long as you have internet connection. And you have 365 days money back guarantee, which means in a year, even after using this to make money, if you want to return it, you are free to do so with reason or without any reason. And at any point you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this very sales page, and then you get a copy using this link. They are scattered all over this page, and when you do, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, which is exactly the platform where this product is being hosted, and then you can get a copy for yourself. So now let's scroll down and see if we can read some of the things that I believe are important. It has over 1,500 plus users are using Affiliate Profitz AI and are getting outstanding results. And you have 3 basic steps to configure this. You buy this product using that link in my description area, the first one, and then you log into this dashboard, which is this. When you do that, you will be able to get access to that dashboard, and step 2 will be to click create and watch the AI model the entire campaign for you, depending on your specifications and your keyword and exactly the niche you are trying to promote. And you're giving you high converting landing page copies and email follow-up sequence, blog posts and video scripts, and much more, including anything else you want to do, as long as you have the keyword in mind. And number 3 step will be to let the AI send your thousands of free targeted traffic to your campaign while you sit back and relax. Okay, and each time that happens, you stand the chance of making this kind of money promoting a high or middle high ticket products on ClickBank, which is another platform I work with and make money from. Okay, so these are some of the income proofs you will find out for yourself, and I will leave the rest of the review for you. I think there are some testimonials somewhere which I believe you will be able to take a look at your convenience when you arrive here, and it helps you drive traffic Affiliate Profits works for anyone regardless of your experience, because it's more or less copy and paste, and it has the number one feature will be SEO meta tag, and you have also landing page copy, you have email follow-up series, you have also blog posts. You can generate all of these materials here, and social posts for your TikTok, Instagram, or any of the rest of them there, including LinkedIn. You have also TikTok script, ability to get that done, YouTube script for any video of your choice. All these things are going to definitely be yours when eventually you make up your mind to get this one. Now, what we will do in the course of the review will be definitely to take you to the dashboard area so that you see what happens when you buy this product. Now, this is the dashboard. Here you can click your campaigns, and then you can create a new campaign by putting your niche, maybe your relationship or money making, okay, for example. And then you can name any products you want, which is making money easy. Okay, you choose a product from here, I guess. Okay, no product is showing off, so you put your description in this very place, and then you have your sales page, affiliate page, and then of course you can go ahead to activate. Okay, so I can see make a headway of how to get this product written, because it's actually not showing. So I leave that to you actually, and then let's see if we can go back to the dashboard and see if we can move forward on this, or otherwise I will be showing you the exact campaigns that I did before, because I was able to do the campaigns before. This is what I was able to do earlier, and you can generate access by clicking this, and you'll be able to use any of these tags to actually command anything you want, like social post, stories, TikTok script. If you click this, for example, I believe it's going to open up to something, which is where you put your primary goal, and this is how you would like the story to be, and your call to action, and what tone you would like the asset to be written, and then you can create the asset with this button. And here you have the gallery where you have access to, okay, access denied, because this is with the upgrade. You can't have it until you buy that very upgrade. Okay, here you have the landing page, the email follow-up, blog post, social media, stories, TikTok script, YouTube script, ebook creator, and your image generator and content writer, and of course you have reseller at this point. So without wasting much time, what I'm going to do now is to play you the demo video of this product in action, so that you see how it works and see if that's going to help you make up your mind. After that, we see the pricing, and then we'll go to my bonuses and wrap it up there. Okay.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo of Affiliate Profits. What I'm going to do in the next few minutes is just show you how this works. It's really simple, but incredibly effective. We're going to be looking at content marketing based on pre-uploaded ClickBank offers. You literally don't have to do anything to get loads of traffic and sales. So the first thing that we do is we go to campaigns, and then we create a campaign, and then we choose our niche. So let's say we go for dieting, because we all want to lose a little bit of weight, and then we'll go for the Okinawa flat belly tonic. And you can see here product description and the average dollar conversion. So happy days, we are happy to proceed. We've got the sales page, the affiliate page, everything we need to run a campaign. We're just going to go ahead and activate. Now what we want to do is we want to, you can see my offer just here, and we're going to start generating assets. So we're going to be looking at ways of driving traffic using organic content. So the question is, which one do we want? And as you can see, we've got 8 different ways of creating content. So which one are we going to go for? I don't know about you, but I love absolutely all of these. But why don't we go for potentially a blog post. So what is your primary goal? It's to drive sales. What's the call to action? Why don't we say, click now to download your product. How's that? Click now to download your product. What tone should the asset be written in? Well, I think it should be in a professional fashion. So let's go ahead and create. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And it's now going out into the world of artificial intelligence. It's going to be creating some amazing content for us to post and start generating traffic. So you can see here it's mentioning the fact that these are the features, these are the benefits, and what I've got now, it's all keyword optimized. We are ready to rock and roll, start generating traffic, because what will happen is SEO, search engines, are going to be spotting that, and then we are going to be making sales. And you can do that with TikTok. I don't know about you guys, but I love my TikTok. I'm there all the time. So again, if I look at this one, what's your primary goal? Create awareness. Now you can see there are different types of primary goals depending on the content. How long would you like the story to be? I want it to be 100 words. So I'm just going to be putting 100. What's the call to action? Is click here to find out more. Sorry, typo. Find out more. What tone should the asset be written in? Well, I think it should be in a friendly way. So again, 3, 2, 1, let's go. The value must be less than or equal to 60. Right, so I get it. We're going to go with 60. It's good. So you get nice prompts, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. And we are waiting for the asset to be entirely congruent with the affiliate offer. Let's see. I can't wait to see what the software is going to be generating for us. We know it's high quality artificial intelligence, the latest there is in this field. And here we go. Ready, TikTok script, love it. Opening scene, voiceover, transition, everything you need to do in order to give this to potentially either yourself, or you just give it to a freelancer and you have an amazing looking video. Thanks very much for bearing with me here, guys, while I run this demo for a super exciting product, the amazing affiliate Profitz software. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Welcome back to my channel, where I review IT products, info products, and generally training courses that will help you make money online. Now let us take a look at the pricing of this product. The front end goes for, I believe, $17 or thereabouts, 19 here, and it has the ability to move up to $24 because this is the discount amount. You have it for $19, okay? So it gives you access to the very dashboard, which is exactly this, and you'll be able to perform all the magic you want there. Now the upgrade number 1 will be unlimited edition. It goes for $39, and it has a downsell of $29, okay? And this will give you unlimited upgrades, supercharges the affiliate Profitz AI software and removes all limits, and of course the affiliate campaigns builder. Unlimited upgrade users and get you access to all clickbank offers inside the affiliate Profitz AI. You could see it could not allow me to go into certain areas because this is for review purposes. And you have the upgrade number 2, which is the Pro edition. It goes for $97 originally, and here you have it for downsell of $69. Okay, you have the upgrade number 3, which is the Prompt Bible, goes for downsell of $27, and with this OTO you will be able to have access to the Prompt Bible offer. Get more done in less time with the ChatGPT marketing prompt pack with 1,000+ copy and paste prompts, 99 automation areas, and expert tips. You will be able to streamline your digital marketing tasks and achieve better results with this upgrade number 3. And upgrade number 4 will be the traffic booster. It goes for $49 downsell. You have OTO number 4, which is the upgrade number 5, which is the done for you, goes for $97 the downsell, which means you will be able to get everything done for you by the team. You don't have to lift a finger. And OTO number 6, the upgrade number 6 goes for 47 downsell, and with this OTO number 6, users will get access to 25 ready-made affiliate review videos. That's insane. And then ClickBank products, fully customized video using PowerPoint, tutorial included, and the guaranteed affiliate approval for ClickBank products and YouTube keywords released for ranking. You have the upgrade number 7, mastermind coaching. This one goes for $97 downsell, and with this upgrade, users will join their weekly mastermind calls, and they can enhance their results with 8 weeks of coaching to see how students earn a full-time income online, and then proven blueprints to become a super affiliate someday in your life. Now that's about what you have for the price. Now let's see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Number 1 will be Latitude, which is a training course on how to make money on NFTs, blockchain, digital assets exchange for non-fungible tokens. It's an amazing training course from my mentor, Jonah Armstrong. You have number 2 as TweetX, which is another product from Jonah Armstrong, which is how to siphon traffic from X platform, which is formerly called Twitter, to any offer or link of your choice. You have also Insurgency, another masterclass training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also number 4 as Lazy Traffic Sniper, which gives you free buyer access, and this is a very good software that will help you siphon traffic online from sources. Okay, now you have number 5, JavaScript Commission Bot, which gives you access to daily 4-figure commissions, with the fact that you have a bot system that gets access to free buyer traffic online that sends them to your offers, and that means making money online on daily basis. And you have the lockdown formula number 6, which is exactly the training that I started with online. This one will take you by the hand from scratch and take you to any level of your choice in digital marketing. Okay, you have number 7 as the commissions toolbox, which has over 1,000 different links that will give you access to different capabilities online, like link shorteners, background removers, video editors, image editors, prompts, anything you want. You'll be able to have access to that. And at any time you buy this product, like I said, by clicking that first link below in my description, it will bring you to this sales page where you click this link. When you do, it will take you to the Warrior Plus platform where this product is hosted, and after purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks exactly like this. This green button will give you access to Affiliate Profitz AI, and this blue one will give you access to my amazing bonuses. And if by any chance you don't get it with this button blue, then you write me with this email address associated with my Warrior Plus account, and then I will send it by email to you, so that you don't have nothing absolutely to lose. Okay, and that will bring us towards the end of this amazing product review for Affiliate Profitz AI. And like I said, it's going live today, the 16th of January 2024, at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. That's when this button will become operational, and you can get a copy of this first to market AI application that creates done for you profitable campaigns that pay you money daily by just exploiting the biggest affiliate network in the world, which is called ClickBank. And with this, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mike coming to you as always from here, and from me from here, guys. It's goodbye.